Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've noticed that every time we decide to make a biryani at home, we consider it a huge task. But today I'm going to show you an easy 4-step recipe to make the perfect mutton dum biryani. So let's begin. The first step is cooking the rice. I've taken 1.5 cup of rice. I've washed it well and soaked it in water for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to heat a pot of water and add some whole spices. I'm adding 1 bay leaf, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 1 star anise, and 2 small green cardamoms. When the water starts to boil, we're going to add our rice. Once it has cooked about 90%, we're going to strain it and set it aside. Moving on to our next step, we're going to pressure cook the mutton. In a pressure cooker, I'm adding some oil and some whole spices. I'm adding 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 4 to 5 peppercorn. Next, we're going to add 1 sliced onion and half a chopped tomato. Add some salt, mix it well, and then we're going to add the mutton. We're also going to add some water and then we're going to pressure cook it until it's 80% cooked. Moving on to step 3. We're going to need some basic ingredients, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of biryani masala, 2 large sliced onions, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, a handful of mint leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. In a large pan, I'm heating some ghee and some oil. You can take either ghee or oil, or you can mix the two. We're going to first add our onions and fry it well until they turn brown. To this, we're going to add our ginger garlic paste and fry it really well until it leaves an aroma. Next, we're going to add our tomatoes. With some salt and cover it until the tomatoes turn soft. Once they turn soft, I'm going to add the biryani masala powder, as well as the curd, and I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to add the pressure cooked mutton. Finely chop the coriander and mint leaves, and you can add them now. Mix it well, and now we're going to cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes or until the mutton is fully cooked. Now that the masala is ready, we're going to move on to our final step, that is layering the biryani. So I'm going to remove the mutton in a separate dish, and we already have our rice ready. Now this is an optional step. I like to have a layer of potatoes at the bottom of my biryani. Not only does it taste good, it also keeps my biryani from burning. If you want, you can skip this step and proceed with the rice layer. Alternate the layers with the rice and mutton. ending with the rice on top. I've added a little bit of yellow color to the final layer of my rice. Finally, I'm going to top it with some fried onions. This is also optional, but trust me, the caramelized onions give a lovely sweetness to this spicy biryani. And I've also taken some cashew nuts and some raisins. Sprinkle the onions over the final layer of rice. And I'm also going to put about a tablespoon or two of ghee on the top. Next, I'm going to cover it with a piece of foil. And I'm going to put on the lid. And I'm going to cook it on low flame for about 30 minutes. The biryani is now ready to be served. You can serve it with some cucumber raita. Please comment down below if you like this recipe and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.